Okay, so now that it's jacked up, what we're going to do is how to get it back on the rim so we can pump it with air will be this. So you take this ratchet strap, this little one, not too big of a one, and you make it go on the middle of this tire. I want to make sure it's straight. Okay, so make sure about the middle. And I'm going to put these two things together, the hooks together, like so. Then we're going to pull, we'll make sure this is more in the middle. Then we're going to pull this, the loose one, to make it kind of